Make a great choice today with the 2010 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.